Progress is definitely being made here at the Marsh Fire site in Pittsburgh after fire officials decided that they would flood this site as a way of completely extinguishing this fire. Now, as they continue to pump more water onto this site, the hope is it leads to less smoke in the air. Pittsburgh resident Richard Ainsley is still wearing his N95 mask when he goes out, and it's for good reason. The nearby Marsh Fire has left much of Eastern Contra Costa County under a cloud of smoke for weeks. But tonight, there are signs of hope. For the first time in weeks, the air quality is starting to improve, slowly.
It's been really bad recently until today. Today was a marked improvement.
The improvement is likely linked to the decision last Friday to flood the site of the long smoldering fire. It's a tactic that requires patience and a whole lot of water.
The difference is obviously we have a lot lighter smoke out here. There is still some smoke production, but we have to remember that we are trying to flood 200 acres worth of property. Steve Aubert with Contra Costa Fire explained that a flood may be the only way to put this fire out, since it's mostly burning in peat, a spongy material found several feet below the surface. Since starting the process last week, Aubert says they've added 3 additional pumps in hopes of speeding up the process. Each of these pumps are able to produce 2,000 gallons per minute, so they're going almost non-stop. So we are introducing as much water as we can onto the property. He also noted the ongoing drought conditions isn't helping the process. With climate change, this area would have typically had moisture from the rains still in that area, but with the lack of rains that we've had over the number of past different years, now we're reintroducing that water all over again. But after weeks of dealing with constant smoke, residents like Richard are happy to see any improvement.
Yesterday in the morning when the wind shifted over I live right on the shore of the river, and it would shift back and forth every morning at 3 o'clock and about 6 o'clock also. And this morning, we didn't have that.
In Pittsburgh, Suratos, NBC Bay Area News.